Hey everyone, Yitzy here with Team Yitzy Nussbaum over at Keller Williams Shore Properties. I'm on location today at 1575 Julia Court. This home offers 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a beautiful backyard. Let's go around and take a look. This home offers a double-story family room, beautiful kitchen with stunning granite countertops. Updated cabinetry and stainless steel appliances everywhere. Double-story foyer. Beautiful custom walk-in closets everywhere. Kick off your shoes at the end of a long day and enjoy the peace and quiet of this beautiful backyard with stunning landscaping.